Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe. In this video we are going to learn how we can create tuples in Typescript. So tuple is just like an array but with some restrictions like that. Suppose we have I have let variable and I say values. So here I have to restrict here. I say it would be have a number, it would be have a string, then it would have a number like this. I declare it and now I initialize it value equal to, I say 1, I say Dr. Vipin as a number string, as a number we again give some value like this. Save it. So it giving some kind of error that we are redeclaring this value. So for that we can use export like this and save it. So automatically gone. Now you see that we have a number, we have a string, we have number. So we are specifying a value like this. So if I do some other thing, suppose I say 1 1 like this, you see there is error. In array we do not have such kind of error, but here we have error. Why? Because first is a number, second is a string. Here you see we have a first is a number, second also number, so it's a wrong. So the order which we have given here, that should be follow. So we have to remove it and now it's okay. Can we insert other value also? You see I am inserting some more value here and I save it. So it's possible. You see it is not possible because you are giving only 3 value like that. So how we can add a new value in this tuple? So first of all we just save this and run this and I just compile this. I say tsc tuple.ts and watch and we open this here and I say node tuple.js. You see we have this output. So can we insert a new value? Yes. Push, so value dot push and now I can insert any kind of value. I say Dr. Vipin classes like this. I save it and I compile it, run it again. You see we have a value. So restrictions is only for the initialization of these value. Order should be follow, data type should be follow, but here may be any data type. Suppose I give in a name but I want to give some other value, I can give here some type of numerical value like this, that is also valid. You see, no problem. So restrictions is only applicable on these data type, but if we insert a new value then we can insert any value like this is a numeric value. I can insert here a string also. Suppose I say anything like this, save this and I run it. You see I have a number also, I have a string also, anything I can specify here, doesn't matter. So this is a one way for tuples. Now we can create read-only tuples also. So how we can create? We say let data, then I say here number and I say number. Now here I say read only, remember that, read only. So I save it. Now you see I say data equal to and I specify here value and console.log and we pass data. Save it and compile it. You see okay, but here in data I can't push any value. Why? Because it's a read only, so we can't insert a new value, that is error. So this is push is error now. we can't push value in tuple like this. So we can initialize this one, we can initialize this way, read only we can create, we can do this like that. Now we can do that also. Suppose I have a let full name and I can create a named tuple also, like I say f name, I say f name is a string type, I say l name of a string type like this, and here I can specify full name equal to like this Dr. Vipin and second name is Theotia like this, and now I can display this full name like this. Save this and I just compile and you see we have the value. So we may have a tuple like this also, that is called named tuple. It is called named type tuple. Now we can do destructuring of this also. If we have a named tuple, so we can do destructuring of tuple also, like suppose I say const and I say first name, or I say f name and I say l name and I say full name like this. So I can display like f name and I can display like l name. You see, that is destructuring is also possible, and if I run it, you see we have a destructuring also, and automatically I just run on watch mode, so it is running and compiling, and here in JavaScript code I am just checking the output. Very simple one. So that way we can use tuples also in Typescript. That's all in this video. If you understand, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.